Hi there, this is Lee Gettess with the market sense for the week of March 23rd, 2010. All the charts we're looking at will be provided courtesy of Genesis and their financial trade navigator software. That's Genesis Financial Technologies and their trade navigator software. Looking at the bond market to begin with, we've got a little red line right here. You see this little tiny bar here. That's around 117.28, and they've spent the first part of the week just sort of playing around with that area. If they could go higher, the next target is about 118.22. But I think the most likely direction is down, and that will give us either the green line, which is in the 117.04 area, or all the way down to the red line at the bottom, which is, I think, around 116.08. Those are the two areas that I'd be looking for to see if they can get down there. I just they haven't done a whole lot this week, and there's not a ton of economic news to move them. But down looks like the most probable direction. That they tried to pop up last week up above previous dual tops that you can see over here, and just not a lot of follow through. They seem to fail once they got above that 118 level. So it looks like down is the most likely course of action there. Moving to the stock market, boy, helium underwear reigns. They just keep going up here. They are at a little area here. This blue line is around 1170. Now, if they're going to top out, and let's face it, this move is just absurdly strong. It's got to top out sometime soon. They can't maintain this. If they're going to top out this week, there's a great likelihood that that area may be where they top out. And if they break down from here, we've got nice round numbers everywhere. The first support for them to hit is the blue line and the green line combined there, which is about 1150, and the red line below that, 1140. Those are the two areas, and I think 1140 is the most likely area because it would coincide with previous swing high here that they broke out from. This is in the S&P cash, this is 1150. In this contract, it's closer to 1140. And just for whatever it's worth, not all of these calculations come out to nice round numbers like that. I tend to round them because I don't think the markets are that predictable. I mean, I don't think they're infinitely down to the tick predictable. I mean, it works sometimes, but by and large, you have to look for areas and then drop down to lower time periods to see what's going on. So that's all I'm looking at this week. I hope you find something profitable that you can do for yourself, and I hope we'll hear from you. You can be able to check in with us again in another week. Thanks.